Web development is the process of building and maintaining websites and web applications. It involves a range of activities, including designing and building the front-end user interface, writing server-side code to create and manage the back-end functionality, and integrating databases and other data sources. There are many technologies and tools that are used in web development, including HTML. Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. It is used to structure and format the content of a web page, including text, images, and other media. CSS. Cascading Style Sheets. CSS is a style sheet language that is used to describe the look and formatting of a document written in HTML. It is used to control the layout and appearance of web pages, including colors, fonts, and positioning. JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language that is used to create interactive elements on web pages. It is commonly used to add dynamic behavior to web pages, such as responding to user input, animating elements, and making asynchronous requests to the server. Server-side languages. Server-side languages such as PHP, Python, and Ruby are used to build the back-end functionality of web applications. They can be used to process user input, access databases, and generate dynamic content. Databases. Web applications often require the storage and management of large amounts of data. Relational databases such as MySQL and PostgreSQL, and NoSQL databases such as MongoDB and Cassandra are commonly used to store and manage data for web applications. Frameworks. Web development frameworks are collections of libraries and tools that can be used to streamline the development process and help developers build web applications more efficiently. Examples include Ruby on Rails, Django, and ASP.NET. Web development can be a complex and multifaceted